Good morning, friends. Today we are back with our usual voiceover for the videos. So we resolved the issue, and today's date is 3rd September 2020. Now time is around 9:17. Today we are expecting that Bank Nifty will not move more as today is expiry. So we are expecting some range bound movement. So we are staying away from the Bank Nifty options and futures. So instead of that, we focused on equities. So we just placed an order with Divis Lab, and it is running now. You can see in our screen now. Now we are in green and red, green again. So if you see here, why we went to the Divis Lab, because it rejected from median band. So that is the reason. But let's see, as we took this trade against the trend. So now we are in green. Yes, as expected, it is moving, and we booked around 150 rupees in that, and immediately we took trade in Bank Nifty 23,400 PE. But let's see. We hope we can get at least charges in this, because it is in middle band. I don't think so. We can book very big profit in this. Now we are in loss now. Even though it is Bank Nifty is moving down, but PE is still reducing the price. Some big movement can give profits to us. Let's see. We are facing some issues with the platform, so we are unable to do it in computer. So we are doing the same in our mobile. Give me some time. I will take some screenshot, or I will wait for this particular trading terminal should work. Okay, so I took the screenshot from another computer, and you can see the same. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.